We are in Korea. And this is our stay. I cannot believe that nature can be so calming. It's so beautiful. Look at there's a lake there. Then there are those plants. And then when you enter, this is entry. So crazy, right? So freaking crazy. And now the best part is our room. This is how it looks, and this is where you enter from. And that's me. That's all the wooden, and that's Manognya. That's Bhuvan. Bhuvan, say hi. And that's the little details of the room, of the house. And this is the room. There's a bed here, and there's the bed, and you loft. Yeah, thanks. And then you do the whatever, and then when you, this is the kitchen. Looks like a गाँव का kitchen. गाँव में ऐसे ही रहते थे.
One house is supposed to be vintage.
Oh. It's so beautiful. All courtesy to Manognya Gitya who booked the room. You deserve a round of applause.
Thank you.
Okay, what's our plan for the day?
So we're gonna go by the lake and probably do cycling, then maybe go boating, and we'll take a stroll down Cocos Road. So yeah, it's a pretty chill, laid-back day. We'll keep the
And
adventures
how was the
tomorrow.
breakfast?
Breakfast
Oh.
was divine.
I didn't record it, but I'll add pictures if I could. Please. And yeah, we will catch you back when we are going out. Right now, it's gonna be a relaxed time. Just like that. We are now at Coker's Walk, and that's the views. If I fall down, who will come catch me? अबे यार ये क्या है? What is this? हाँ उसको बोला क्या लग रहा है, जाएगा ये लास्ट में?
नहीं जाएगा।
देख ली गर्लफ्रेंड ने तो ना बोल दिया बस.
One, you come on.
Bhuvan, come on.
तो अच्छी बात है, अभी धीरे ही चल रहे थे.
Losing.
Food monster.
Having bad Maggie.
This number, huh? What yellow?
At Modi's right now to have cold it seems, hot chocolate, and barish ho rahi hai full. Anyway, so it's raining. I am freezing, and yeah, ठंडी है, बारिश है, पूरे गीले हो चुके हैं. I think what's the temperature? Hot chocolate. So many options, getting really confused. Everything looks so tempting. Is that? Oh, look at that, chocolate and strawberry. This is the Moody's
तू तो सारा चढ़ गई ना?
Great! I love it. The hot chocolate was amazing.
What about you?
Even the spicy Danish bun
It was
was
actually nice.
amazing. 10 on 10.
आपने तो सारा
आपसे
खत्म
तो
कर ही दिया।
पूछा ही नहीं।
चलते चलते पूरा ग्राइंडर चला दिया हमने मुंह में सारा।
इतनी गंदी मैगी लेके गया, वहाँ जाके खसारा खा लिया
-5.
और डिफेंड करे जा रहा है,
जैसे
पता
मिक्सी
नहीं क्या
चलता है, एक मिनट में सारा पिस गई मुंह।
Shut up. That's the Kodaikanal lake. Now we're going to do some cycling and let's go for boating right now. मजा है क्या अभी ऐसे मौसम में? So we might go for boating or cycling and क्या मुझे शर्म आ रही है लोग देख के. That's the traffic for you guys, and that's what I guess. I think now we are going to the 7D thingy, which is getting some cash from the ATM because I would suggest you guys to have cash with you while you're coming to Kodai. While most places accept GPay, but then it's advisable to carry cash.
Big moolah, baby.
क्या था? और साइकिल भुवन और भुवन की साइकिल और मेरी और मनो की साइकिल.
Come together now. All together.
Review for the Royal Tibet Momo. Mano, how much out of 10 would you like to rate?
1 on 10.
What about you?
2.
What about you, Sai?
You, Richa?
I would rate it 2. Yeah, it was just like
The only thing that was nice was the cheese
fried rice
momos. I didn't like the fried rice at all. I didn't want to eat it.
रेडी में
That
ज़्यादा अच्छी
cheese
मिलती है
chicken,
चेन्नई
that
में.
fried thing was nice, yeah.
Yeah, the fried cheese chicken momos was fine. Don't order anything else. Don't come here actually, guys.
चल चल
I have to tell everybody, no, it's a.
सब चल लेते चढ़ने के बाद।
We left the food. I was like, I'll attach the pictures for reference. The chicken didn't feel fresh. And now we are walking to our cab. We have a cab coming to pick us up, and then we'll go to our home villa and then just chill around. That's the plan of action. It's been raining non-stop, like non-stop it's been raining, and the weather is becoming even more chilly by the minute, and I'm freezing. I'm fully wet. Also had a very bad cycling experience. I'll tell you about it once we reach the villa. Okay, that's how it looks, by the way. Day 2 of starting a day on a very late note. What's the time?
It's 3 p.m.
Yeah, just a chill start to the day. Now we're just taking a walk.
We were
through
actually
the
supposed to head somewhere else, but due to traffic and logistical misalignment, we have decided to make it another chill day, just like yesterday. Where are we headed, Richa?
Yesterday was not so chill. In the night, हमने बताई नहीं है वो story. We'll tell later. But right now we're just taking a stroll to Imran Biryani, which is apparently very famous and very nice.
And it's a 5-kilometer walk because we have no vehicle. So what we are doing?
It's a 5-kilometer walk, and it's already a uphill walk. We were actually planning for a trek, but that didn't happen. This is my fetch track, by the way. Come here, jaldi. This is our fetch track. Whew. Okay, let's go. Look at the traffic. Look at that traffic. This is what we were talking about, guys. But look at the view. I'll tell you one quick tip while you're walking. Just put on your headphones, play some nice songs, and you'll feel like you're in a movie. Imtiaz Ali ki movie. Now what we have delayed our biryani plan because that was really far. It's this ma, you wanna go there. So now we have come to this really nice classic pizza place called Gourmet George called. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. So had a nice time at the Vatakanal waterfall, and now we're just returning back to our room, and then we'll go for dinner to Imran's Biryani. I hope we finally go there because we have been trying to go there since 2 days. It's not happening, but we're trying it today, yeah. And the weather right now, absolutely incredible.
Hot chocolate in cold weather.
And we are checking out, and we are going to Pumparai. But the weather conditions, do you want to talk about that?
I think my outfit is
Isabah, come, let's show the outfit. That's our outfits. We're twinning, kinda. I'm gonna show you guys the weather. It hasn't stopped raining since morning. I don't know what we're gonna see, but yeah, that's the condition. Today we have a bus back to Chennai, and I'll catch you in Pumparai. Bye bye. We are in what lake? Mannavanur Lake. Doing what? Yeah. And now we're gonna do.
Put it inside.
No, it's fine. Now we're gonna do a little fun activity. Damn. Uncle is
Normal camera.